Hey everyone, today I'm doing a video on the Windsor International Airport to help you decide which airport is the best for you. So you have three options if you want to fly to Windsor from the United States or internationally. First option is to fly straight into Windsor International Airport. So just to do a comparison, I pulled out a date, March 2nd to March 9th from Windsor to Miami, just so we could do a price comparison. So to go directly from this airport to Miami is about $575 Canadian. The other option is to fly to Pearson Airport in Toronto. So the prices for that, when I looked online, was $265, which is about half. However, you have to take the train with one transfer from Toronto to Windsor. So they have an express train that runs from Pearson Airport to Union Station. It's about $14, and then you have to take Union Station to Windsor by rail, and that is from anywhere from $60 to $85 each way. So you guys can do the math if it's worth it to pay the extra $100 to $200, whether you're going one way or both. So that's about $465, but then you have a lot of downtime because it's a 4-hour trip from Pearson to Windsor. Plus, sometimes there's delays because freight carriers get priority over the rail lines. So I remember flying to Istanbul just a couple months ago, and I added an extra hour because a freight train had to go on the same line. So we were stopped in one place for an hour. Now, that's the second option. The third option is to fly into Detroit, and I looked online. Detroit to Miami and back is about $200 US, which is about the same as Toronto, $265 Canadian, $270 around there. And then you can take a bus from Windsor Airport to downtown Detroit, which is around $3. And then you can take the tunnel bus from downtown Detroit to downtown Windsor, which is about $750. So it looks like the Detroit airport wins on price. However, it's all about convenience in determining which is best for you. Also, Detroit and Windsor don't take flights, a lot of flights from all over the world. I know, I was looking up Istanbul, and from Toronto to Istanbul was about $1,300. Detroit wasn't even offering a flight from Detroit to Istanbul, and neither was the Windsor Airport. So it really depends on where you're looking to travel to and from. So we'll do a quick tour of the airport, and if you like this video, please click like and subscribe. Here you have parking. It's about $12 a day or $50 a week. There's another view of the airport. And then now we can go inside. Now here we are at the entrance of the Windsor International Airport, YQG. And we can head inside here. So we have a bunch of small carriers, Sunwing and Porter, then Air Canada Jazz. You have your baggage claim area.
Oh yeah, right. Yeah, there's no contact.
Gateway Lounge. And a discount carrier called Flair. And we are exiting the building. So over here we have the car rental areas. You have Budget, Avis. You have a nice selection of cars.